Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create digital business cards on your smartphone. Quickly open up your Play Store. Now on your Play Store, search for free digital business cards. Now quickly come and download this app over here, which is called the Business Card Maker. Then open it. Then once you open it, you have to close this and use the free version. Now tap on create. Now you can put your company name. I can call my company Fazul Loans. Take an example, my company gives out loans to people, so our name is Fazul Loans, and who am I? I'm the managing director. Okay, so you put in your address line 3. You can even put your phone number. Then after putting all this, you have to come here and then upload the company logo. Tap on that plus icon. Once you tap on that plus icon over here, it will then open up your gallery. Now in your gallery, come and choose a photo you want to make your icon or your logo. So quickly I'll choose that. Then I'll tap on OK. Then tap on crop. And then once you tap on crop, you then go ahead and wait for it to load. Then tap on save. So when you tap on save, choose a template you want. For this case, I'll choose this template, which is good. Then tap on done. So once you tap on done, then you'll have done your business card quickly. Simply, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.